Waiting to have enough money is the reason most people never start investing. They think investing is for later, for when income is higher. That delay is the real cost. The truth is, the amount you start with matters less than starting at all. Small money invested early beats large money invested late. In a famous investing study, people who invested consistently over time outperformed those who waited for the perfect moment, even when they started small. The point is, time in the market matters more than timing the market. The rule is, start small, stay consistent, increase later. Waiting doesn't reduce risk, it increases regret. Think of investing like planting a tree. The best time was years ago. The second best time is now. You don't need more money, you need more time. And time only starts when you do.